on me. Promise that you'll never be alone.
Hello viewers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I demonstrated already in the initial video before me talking, showing you viewers a demonstration of how to apply rice water cubes on your face, and it helps to reduce large open pores. It also helps to brighten the face. So I have got a research that I would like to share with you. Rice water is one of the beauty secrets of Japanese women. We all know that. If you don't know, it helps the long growth of hair, which has been proven in the past by Japanese women and the women of Mongolia and Peru. Japanese women are known for their amazing glowing skin, and who wouldn't want it? They use rice water in a lot of cosmetic skincare products and home remedies. If you have not yet heard of it, rice water is highly beneficial for certain health issues and also in taking care of the skin. Rice water contains vitamins such as B1, C, E, as well as minerals which can shrink pores, tighten skin, reduce fine lines, and also brighten your skin complexion. Rice water contains vitamins and minerals and amino acids which are essential for beautiful skin, including ferulic acid, which is a great antioxidant, and allantoin, known as anti-inflammatory properties. Rice water also helps heal acne, cools the redness of outbreak. It acts as an astringent on the skin, tightening and pores. So viewers, I have tried this. Every video I upload, I want to show my face and explain to you viewers that I've tried this in the past, especially for the hair growth and the opening of pores. It helps drastically with a lot of hair growth. You will see a drastic change within a month or two with the hair growth, and with the large opening of pores you will see a difference within about 2 to 3 weeks if you basically use the rice water cubes, like you freeze in the freezer, apply it on your face every morning for 30 minutes to an hour before you have a shower. So hope you viewers did enjoy this video. I'll see you viewers in my next. Have a lovely evening, morning, afternoon, whichever country you're from. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and be happy.